Hi there, my name is Patrick and this is Jay Rickel-Finnegan. We're the Move to Palm Beach team. Today we're in beautiful sunny green Jupiter, Florida. We're on a lot with big, beautiful established oak trees you can see above us.
They're gorgeous.
And we're here to see a house today.
Yeah, it's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath house. It has 4,500 square feet, so there's a lot of space to use. So why don't we go in and take a look? Come on. So as you can see, right from the moment that you walk in, there's a lot of space to entertain, and it's just a great feeling house. I think that we're gonna start with the master. Do you wanna start with the master?
Sure, let's start with the master.
So we're gonna go this way. Along the way, you're gonna pass the powder room, and we're gonna start in the master bath. So this is the master bath. It has a deep soaking tub, has the shower right behind me. There's a lot of storage in here, which is great for a person like me. I have so many products and I can put it everywhere, but that's just me. Anyway, let's continue on. On the way, you're gonna pass the first of 2 walk-in closets, and there's just a lot of space in this master. You can set up in a lot of different variations. You have a fireplace over there as well. It's a really warm feeling home. But the one thing that is absolutely fun about this house is that right when you wake up in the morning, you can come out to your personal spa that's inside your own house. It doesn't matter about the weather. You have a beautiful skylight. Like, this is the biggest skylight we've ever seen, huh?
Yeah, around here, definitely.
Yeah. So there's also a cabana bath right off here, so you can go directly in there and you don't have to traipse through the house. So let's continue on. This is the heart of the home. This is the living room. This is the best space. It has so much area to use for parties, events. It's really, really nicely done.
It's definitely a party house.
It really is. And so from there, we're gonna go right on through to the kitchen. Now the kitchen is a bit dated, but that's fine because there is so much space that you can use to actually revamp it and expand it and make it exactly what you want. On the other side, you're gonna have 3 other bedrooms and also the garage. So then what I mean by expanding the kitchen is that there's all this space over here with a working fireplace. You could either move it so that the kitchen is all over here. You could make this a breakfast nook. The possibilities are endless. And then when you come over here, this is a gorgeous bedroom. You have the skylights and you look directly out into the water. It's great to wake up and be on the water. It's just my favorite thing. And then we're gonna go back into the living room and we're gonna pass by the wet bar and also an indoor-outdoor grill. It does have ventilation, which is really important. The last thing I wanna let you know is that you have a great outside space and all the windows here are all hurricane grade, so you do not have to worry about the hurricanes and putting up shutters out here.
Excellent, so we have impact glass in the back, that's great.
It's really, really a nicely done house. It really is. But we just wanted to say thank you for stopping by and seeing the house with us. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you. We are Moved to Palm Beach. For more information about the house, please click on the link in the description.
I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.
Bye.